I'd like to walk you through some of the initial functionality of our AI Copilot, our new expert assistant in monitoring and analyzing your Node.js applications alongside you. We recently added an AI Copilot to NSolid, the premier tool for working with production Node.js deployments. Let's dive into what it can do for you already. The Copilot is accessed via the small blue speech bubble in the lower right-hand corner. When you open it up, you'll see a few suggested options. Let's start off with the option that tells us the application currently using the most resources. In our demo setup, there are only 2 applications, but even in a small setup such as this, the Copilot can greatly speed up scanning through things. Next, let's ask about configuration. One great benefit of having the Copilot built in is that it has all of the documentation loaded inside, so you're able to ask questions about how to run NSolid in order to see how best to operate it. Beyond just viewing the documentation, the interactivity of the chat-based AI Copilot means that you can ask specific questions related to your project. The AI Copilot can also help you with how to use NSolid's vast box of tools to diagnose and solve any potential issues with your application. Let's say we've added some new features and are worried the performance of the application has gotten worse. Let's ask how to collect a CPU profile. Now that we've managed to capture a CPU profile, we can ask the Copilot to start us in the right direction by giving us a diagnostic report, telling us a few places it has identified for us to further examine in the results. The Copilot has been loaded with our expert-level Node.js training content and can answer your questions about Node.js and JavaScript from development to production. Copilot pairs well with OpenTelemetry data, allowing you to interactively ask questions about the trace data collected by NSolid. Let's start with a high-level summary, but then progressively dig deeper into our trace details. As you can see, the Copilot provides a new, powerful way to explore OpenTelemetry data. Combining the context of your data with our expert knowledge bases means that not only you can ask specific questions about the resource use of your application, but understand how those metrics relate to each other and how best to leverage them to make your Node.js applications truly sing. As we've seen today, our AI Copilot is already becoming a powerful part of the NSolid console's toolset for production Node.js observability and diagnostics. This is just the beginning. We've got some even more powerful features in the works. Stay tuned for what's next and connect with everything we do at NodeSource.com.